Enter the realm of LA Waste Solutions, where we're reshaping the standards of waste management, and with pride, we extend an array of exceptional services customized for those in quest of dependable and efficient dumpster rental solutions in the lively city of Lafayette, Louisiana. At LA Waste Solutions, our goal is to transcend the ordinary in debris disposal, providing top-tier services that render the process not just convenient but genuinely exceptional. At LA Waste Solutions, we deeply commit to elevating your dumpster rental experience in Lafayette, Louisiana. Beyond convenience, it's about embracing environmental consciousness. Regarding dumpster rental in Lafayette, Louisiana, LA Waste Solutions is your steadfast companion, offering tailor-made solutions meticulously crafted to meet your unique waste disposal needs. Our unwavering dedication to sustainability and efficiency sets us apart, making your debris removal journey as eco-conscious as it is smooth. To embark on a transformative voyage in waste management, do not hesitate to connect with us today at 337-888-4951 or explore our user-friendly website at www.lawastesolutions.com. Here, you'll witness the remarkable difference that LA Waste Solutions introduces to the domain of waste management. Your satisfaction remains our utmost priority, and we are steadfastly committed to turning your disposal needs into an extraordinary, environmentally conscious journey.